Registering your supplier streamlines procurement, improves communication, and speeds up payment processing. It enhances supplier relationship management, simplifies reporting and auditing, and makes it easier to evaluate supplier performance. To register a supplier, follow these steps. Navigate to the Procurement module and select Suppliers panel. You will be redirected to the Supplier window as shown. In the Supplier View window, you can view the already existing suppliers, that is, if you already added earlier. In the Supplier Details section, begin by filling in the required fields. Start with the supplier name, which is essential for identifying the supplier and tracking all related transactions. It serves as a key reference point for procurement and reporting. The description field allows you to add any additional information about the supplier, such as their products or services, making it easier to manage and understand your relationship with them. The Telephone 1 and Telephone 2 fields allow you to store the supplier's contact numbers, ensuring you have reliable communication channels in case of urgent inquiries or issues. The Email field is used to store the supplier's email address, which is critical for sending orders, invoices, and updates efficiently. The Contact Person field enables you to specify the primary individual you'll be liaising with at the supplier's end, ensuring personalized communication. For logistics, the Physical Address field is used to store the supplier's office or warehouse location, while the Postal Address and Postal Code fields are used for mailing correspondence and ensuring accurate delivery of physical documents. The Country and Town City fields help define the supplier's geographical location, aiding in shipping and compliance, especially for international suppliers. Please note, if your country or city is not listed, click the Add icon on the right to include it. The Website field allows you to store the supplier's URL, making it easier to access their site for product details, updates, or online communication. The Sub-Account field, though grayed out, is an automated feature in the system. Once you click the Add button to save the supplier, the system automatically generates a supplier sub-account. The supplier sub-account streamlines financial tracking by automatically linking supplier transactions to the accounts payable section. And when you select a registered supplier, you can easily view their sub-account name in the system. By filling in these fields, you ensure that your supplier's details are correctly entered into the system, improving communication, efficiency, and financial tracking.